it's Lori, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we got our Boxyluxe Boxycharm. So, I'm pretty excited to open this up. I noticed that this month's, this is the March one. Here is the December one. I still have the box. I haven't even, put it away yet. Look at the difference in the size. So, I'm pretty curious on what is in this. I do not know. I've had no clues. Nothing. I'm really clueless at what's in this. I did hear that it's a really good one. I don't know. But guess what? We're going to find out, and we're going to find out together. So, if you're interested in seeing what came in my March Boxyluxe, keep watching. Okay, guys, let's open this up. You can see it is still sealed. So, we're going to open it. Okay, like I said, I'm clueless. Let's do this. Okay, this is what it looks like when you open it. The card says La Vie en Rose. So this time we get a card instead of like a pamphlet. Ooh, what is this? We have a bag. Let's see what's up with the bag. Ooh. I see some stuff in there. So we got a makeup bag. This is really pretty, you guys. Look at this. What? Yes. How cute. Look at this. It's got that iridescent shift to it. Look at that. Changes colors. That's nice. And it's Boxycharm. So that is the first item. Let me see. Boxycharm train case. Just another perk of being a charmer. This exclusive Boxycharm cosmetics case is not only extremely chic, but very spacious and perfect. $20. $20. Okay, we got some Lily lashes. Nice. What else we got? We got Iconic London. I have nothing by Iconic London. So this is eyebrow cushion. Okay, let's see. Get it open. The packaging is pretty. Look at that packaging. Hello. Look at that. Cute. It's plastic, but cute. Well, this is different. This is what it looks like when you open it. There's like a little spoolie. There is. Oh. Okay. Check this out. Here we go. It opens, closes. Iconic London. When you open it up, this is in medium. Eyebrow cushion. So it's a cushion. I don't want to open it yet because I'm not ready to use it. But that is definitely going to come in handy really soon. So we got that. What else do we got in here? We got the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. Obsessed. I love this stuff, you guys. This stuff is so good. And this is what it looks like. I'm not going to open it because I already have some open. Because I really do use this a lot. So, it's like $48 or so. So, yeah, it's like, if I get it, I'm excited. Deborah Lippmann. Are they fingernail polishes? This is what the packaging looks like. but it says it is in Odana and Modern Love. So I'm going to say they're fingernail polishes, which I love fingernail polish. Ooh, these are like really cute. Look at that. Those are some pretty shades. I like that. Nice. We have a Wander Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. Got that. We got Becca Ultimate Lipstick in Tulip. I don't know if this is my shade. This is what the packaging looks like. But I don't know if this will be my shade. Oh, this is so pretty. It says Becca Gold. Okay, I can do that, definitely. That is what it looks like. So pretty. Yes. So we have that. We got some Moda brushes. You guys, I love Moda brushes. Like, I have a whole jar full of them right here. These are all Moda brushes. This one is powder and soft glow. Oh, I could use that highlighter brush for sure. Nice. Nice. You guys, I love Boxyluxe. Oh my gosh. It is so worth the money. But look. Like, here we go. Nice. Yes, powder. Oh, I can't wait to use this one. To put my highlight on. That is a definite. Only thing I have on today are brows and mascara. Nothing else is on this face. Exciting. There's like, you guys, there's a Morphe palette in here. Blend the Rules 15D. I don't have this one. Okay. What is 15D? Please do not be bright, colorful shadows. Be something that I could really use. Oh. Oh. You guys. Look at 15D. That is so pretty. You do it this way. Look at that. Okay. I am definitely happy for this. Definitely, because I love browns and orange. I just love a good orange eyeshadow. Yes! So excited. Awesome. And then, ooh, look at that, Cover FX. Perfector Face Palette in light medium. Yes. You guys. Oh my gosh, look at this. Is that not gorgeous? I'm so excited. That is so pretty. Look at that. I don't know if I can get more light on it or not. Look at that. Like, just look at that. That is so pretty. Love that. Finishing powder, brightener, 2 highlighters, a contour, and a blush. I'm flipping. I'm excited for this. Oh my gosh, you guys. This really is a good box. Okay, let's just go through it. Cover FX Perfector Face Palette, $45. 6 must-have complexion essentials in one travel-friendly palette. Yes. Okay, what's next? Moda brushes. $29.99. Wow. Your new Moda 2-piece powder and soft glow kit is the ultimate dynamic duo. I mean, I'm excited to have them, but $30? Iconic eyebrow cushion. Give your brows the wow they deserve with iconic sculpt and boost. $40. Seriously, what the fudge? $40. Oh my God. Now we know why I don't have anything iconic, because my hair's in my glasses, because you would have to be really iconic to buy it. The Wander Beauty, $34, contains a blend of skin-loving, oh God, I forgot how to pronounce this word. Acai, goji berry, blueberry, lychee, mangosteen, and green tea leaf extracts. It's a lift-off, purifying, and brightening peel-off mask. Sweet. Pretty excited. I love masks. Oh my gosh, so much. It's sealed. Okay, what's next? Lily Lashes, $24.99. These are the limited edition faux mink gala lashes. Add volume, length, and drama to your lashes with your new limited edition wing style. Nice. And here's what they look like. Sweet. The It Cosmetics, $48, just like I said. You guys, that stuff is so good. The Becca lipstick is $24. It's an 8-hour long wearing silky satin lip color infused with hyaluronic acid. I've never, ever in my life had a lipstick last 8 hours that is like a regular lipstick. The Morphe is 15 Crazy Creamy Powerfully Pigmented Shades, $16. The Deborah Lippmann dual patented formula with this 2-piece sets lets you bring the nail salon home, $20. And then $20. You guys, I'm like actually excited for this box. Oh my gosh, this excites me. This excites me because I love Morphe palettes. This actually, I'm pretty excited to use this. I'm going to use up my pencils first, but oh my gosh, this could be neat. I don't wear lashes because I can't see to put them on, so I will probably give these away. I love Moda brushes, you guys. They are so, so, so good. I'm glad this was a shade that I can use, because when you look at the tip of it, it looks like it was going to be that color, so I was kind of scared. But yes, love it. Excited. Always glad to have a backup. I had a backup, and my daughter, I do believe, took off with it. So that's it, guys. That is everything that was in my March Boxyluxe from Boxycharm. You guys, I get so excited on the months that these Boxyluxes are coming, because they're always so good. They're always so worth the money. I mean, the box is $49.99, and the It Cosmetics alone was $48. So if I go to Ulta and pick up that moisturizer with tax and everything, it's going to cost me more than what the box is, not counting that I'm going to have to put in gas and my drive time, which it takes me an hour to get to a Ulta or anywhere that even sells it. But this box is just so worth the money. So if you get Boxycharm, which is $21 a month, you can upgrade to Boxyluxe. Boxyluxe comes out every 3 months. We got our last one in December. This is March. It was a great box. There was nothing in there that I didn't love. The only thing I couldn't use was the lashes. And like I said, that's because I can't see to put them on. When I take my glasses off, yeah, I cannot see to glue a lash to my eye. I would end up probably gluing my eyes shut. That is, I mean, I can't see to do it. So I actually just use magnetic lashes if I wear them. But you guys, this box is so worth it. It is so worth it. I am not kidding. It is so worth it. I will leave the links below so you can sign up for Boxycharm. And once you're signed up for Boxycharm, upgrade every 3 months for Boxyluxe. I mean, like I said, I was so excited knowing that my box was coming today because I got an email that was out for delivery. And I was excited. I was like, as soon as the ball game's over, I'm going to make a video because I got to see what is in this box. I like to open them up with you guys so we can check it out together. So that's it, guys. That's everything that I have for you. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you get Boxyluxe, give this video a thumbs up. And if you love Boxycharm, give this video a thumbs up. Just give this video a thumbs up. It just helps me out a lot, and I really appreciate it because I love you guys so much. If you're new to my channel, hit that red subscribe button below. You're the first ones to know every time I post a new video. You guys, I love you, and I will talk to y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.